Hi, I'm Traci and I want you to move your body after you warm up. I've made this quick warm-up for you to do before my workouts or before any workout you choose to do. Warming up for at least 5 minutes before a workout is really important to do to avoid injury and to get the most benefit out of the time you put into your workout. A warm-up is to get your heart rate slowly up, to get that blood and oxygen pumping through your muscles, to your joints, to your ligaments, to your brain. Get your head in the game. Get everything ready to go. A warm-up should consist of some active stretching, some dynamic movements. Not so much static stretching. You can throw a few in there, but the static stretches where you're holding the stretch, those are more for your cool down, to cool everything down, the opposite of a warm-up. So your dynamic movements should consist of at least a few of the movements you'll be doing within your workout, if you can. So with that said, let's get warming up. We're just going to start with our core and get that warmed up. Just twist it around, relax your body, square those hips, keep the abs nice and tight, just swing it around. And this feels really, really good, especially first thing in the morning, just swing it around. This is a great warm-up just to do even if you're not working out, if you're taking a day off. Just feels amazing. Okay, now we're going to give ourselves some love. Hug it out. Hug it out. Can't hug too many people right now with what's going on in our world, so you gotta just hug yourself. Love yourself, always anyway. Okay, now I want you to grab your arm and push it to the side. Push it, really get that shoulder stretch. Bounce it over a couple times. Grab your wrist, stretch it over, pull over, get that side stretch right through your lats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep those hips nice and neutral. And other side. Now I want you to push into your hip, push it that way and reach over. It feels great. Push into that hip. Reach, push, reach, push, reach. 4 more. 2, 1. Now let's get those flexors warmed up and get those shoulders warmed up. Backward. Okay. 2, 3, 7, 4, 5. Get our heart rate up. 6. Do some strokes. Let's get that chest open up. This all feels good. 5. Okay, now I want you to grab in the back. Grab your hands together. Pull it up. Kind of twist, bring those shoulders around and bring the arms up. We'll go 1 to the sides. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want you to go down into a little froggy position, the best you can. You put your elbows on the insides of your knees and push your legs out. We're going to warm those hips up. Nice little balance, and it feels great. I want you to 1, 2, push them out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to slowly walk it out. Okay, into a down dog. Just pedal it out. Let's get those calves warmed up. Try to touch your heels as close to the ground as possible. Bring your head down. I'm going to use my right leg first. You're going to step to the right side of your hand. Drop that back knee. Get your hand there and push that leg out. Not too hard. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feels fabulous. Now you're going to go down with your elbow as far as you can go toward the ground and up. 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 5, 6. Back down and Walk it back into that down dog. Pedal it out. And step it over. Knee down. Push it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. This feels fabulous. 6, 7, 8. Down to the ground as far as you can go. Just as far as you can go. The more you do this, the farther you can go. Just practice it. 2. Really getting those hips all warmed up. You really got to get the hips warmed up the most. It's the center of your body. Center of your core. Okay. Now we're just going to slowly come on up. And hips out. Like this, I want you to push against your legs, push them out. And I want you to drop your shoulder down. And it feels amazing. Other side. Keep it going. You'll feel that in your back. It's a nice back stretch. You may even get some cracks in there. Two more. Start mimicking some movements. 3A squat, whatever you want to call it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, bring those feet together. We are going to do some deadlift reaches. Swipe into the knees. Come on down as far as you can. Reach it up. Down, reach it up. Down, reach it up. Let's go 5 more. 2, swipe into the knees, just like a deadlift. 3, 4, 5. Getting close. Squat position. Line the knees up. Just going to squat it down and reach it up again. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze those glutes when you come up. Get those glutes activated. Get those warmed up. Really squeeze those buns together. Just like in a workout. 3 more. Squeeze. 2, 1. Okay, we're going to do 15 jumping jacks. Now we'll get that heart rate up a little bit more. Almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this if you want to. If that works, hip abduction. Work those hips. I lost count. Just keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 kickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just touch your heels like that. Just right in place. Ooh. Okay, we are warmed up. Whoa, I'm winded. That's a warm-up. That's all you need. I hope you enjoyed that. That would be great. And don't forget to watch my cool down. Turn to these warm-up and cool downs anytime you can. It's really important to do both. Watch my cool down. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that notification bell and subscription button. And share this warm-up and my channel on or off social media. Comments are welcome. Thank you very much, and you have a most awesome day. Thanks.